Okay, so here I want to show you something real quick on this truck here. It came in no start. Customer called me and told me that he changed the battery. You don't know all of a sudden the truck don't want to start. And he changed the battery and that did not help. Okay, so key in. Normally if you turn the key on, it will light up. I'm only seeing a battery light. And all these gauges will sweep across the other side and then come back down. So the cluster is not working. And if you crank it, nothing. No click, no nothing. Ignition 2 is actually blown. Bad fuse is on the right side and the good fuse on the left side. So you want to split down the middle here. That one is split down the middle and that one is connected across. So I'm going to put in good fuse. Ignition 2. Let's try to fire it up now and see if it'll start. Yeah! And that's the one. So if your gauges are not working, your truck don't want to start, the first thing you want to do is probably go take a quick look right here and see if that fuse is blown.